If you've been sitting on the fence about moving to an M1 Mac, I've got good news for you because a couple of big apps have added support for the new Apple Silicon chips. Microsoft is rolling out native M1 support for many Microsoft 365 for Mac apps, as well as iCloud account integration in Outlook and updated collaboration capabilities, quoting ZDNet. Last month, Microsoft made its core Microsoft 365 and Office 209 apps available for Mac devices with M1 via the Rosetta 2 translation layer that is automatically enabled in macOS Big Sur. At the time, Microsoft execs noted they'd already started moving the Mac apps to universal binaries, thus natively supporting both Apple's new ARM Silicon and Intel chipsets with the same executable. Microsoft officials also said today that the new Outlook for Mac experience, with an updated Office Start experience for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote for Mac, is now available. This new look and feel uses the Microsoft Fluent UI design system. Officials said support for iCloud accounts is available in the new Outlook for Mac, enabling users to bring together work and personal emails, contacts, and calendars into a single app. The iCloud account support will be rolling out via the new Outlook for Mac over the coming weeks. Mac users also are getting new collaboration capabilities, including shared calendars and a new commenting experience for Word for Mac. And there are also new tools like the dictation toolbar with voice commands coming for Word and Outlook for Mac, end quote. Mozilla also released Firefox 84, which also has native support for M1 Macs. Mozilla said the browser launches over 2.5 times faster on an M1 computer, and web apps are now twice as responsive, quoting MacRumors. If you're using a Mac with the M1 chip, Mozilla says you will need to fully exit and restart Firefox after upgrading to version 84 in order for the browser to run natively on Apple Silicon. Mozilla promises not only faster performance, but also better battery life. Firefox 84 is also the final version to support Adobe Flash, end quote. And P.S., macOS Big Sur 11.1 for M1 Macs enables iPhone and iPad apps with non-resizable windows, think apps like HBO Max, to finally enter full screen mode, which is nice.